Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook account region settings. The process is similar on your PC or mobile. For this guide, we are going for Facebook mobile version. There are two main ways to change your region settings on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application in your mobile. Tap on the profile picture in the top right corner and then scroll down. Tap on this settings and privacy and now go for this settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find this language and region. Just tap on it. Here you will see various settings related to your language and region. You can change the language for buttons, titles and other text on Facebook. On iPhones, Facebook uses the language set on your iPhone. So you will need to go into your iPhone settings to change it. Under language and region, you can also choose the preferred language for your content and interactions. Explore these options to customize your Facebook experience according to your region and preferences. As for the second method, we will change your region through the user profile. Tap on the menu button again to go back to the menu. Tap on your profile picture to land on your profile page. And when you are here, just simply tap on this edit profile. Once you are here, scroll down to the details section. You can change here your current town and city. Tap on this edit your about info and now you can change your region to reflect your new location. You can tap on this add account or city and now you can add any city you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.